students, today we will discuss the Chhattisgarh Rajya Alankaran Award 2022. So this award is given on State Formation Day, which is celebrated every year on 1st November. So the first award is Shahid V. Narayan Singh, which is given in the field of tribal and backward class upliftment, and the department which gives this award is Tribal and Welfare Department, and in this year this award is received by Shri Narayan Markam. So here is a trick, both the award and awardee has a common word Narayan. So in this way you can remember it. The next award is Bhavar Singh Porte, which is given in the field of tribal service and upliftment, and this award is given by Tribal Welfare Department, which is received by Shri Tukeshwar Kanwar. Here is a trick, you can remember it as a Bhavar Kanwar, both the word creates a phonic sound. So in this way you can remember it. Move towards the next award, which is Hazi Hassan Ali, which is given in the field of contribution in Urdu language, which is also given by Tribal Welfare Department, and this award is received by Janab Yunus Khan. The next award is Guru Ghasidas Award, which is given in the field of social awareness and Dalit upliftment, and the department here is Tribal Welfare Department, and this award is given to Shri Khemchand Bharti in this year. The next award is Pandit Lakhanlal Mishra, which is given in the field of crime research and by the Department of Home Affairs, and the awardee here is Lakshmi Prasad Jaiswal. The trick for this award, Lakhanlal Mishra Award. So here the award name is Lakhan and the awardee name is Lakshmi. So we can relate this award as Lakhan has a wife whose name is Lakshmi. So in this way you can remember this award. The next award is Yati Yatanlal Award, which is given in the field of ahimsa and cow safety, and this award is given by General Administration Department, and in this year this award is received by Shri Madan Mohan Gausala of Kharsia in Raigad district. The next award is Pandit Ravi Shankar Shukla Award, which is given in the field of social, economic and education, and this award is given by the same General Administration Department, and this award is received by Shri Sitaram Agrawal. The next award is Maharaja Agrasen Award. This award is given in the field of social harmony, and this award is given by General Administration Department, and in this year this award is received by Shri Ishwar Prasad Agrawal. Here is again a trick we can remember that, which is every god is a king of kings, which is known as Maharaja. So in this way we can remember this award. The next award is Gundadhur, which is given in the field of sports, and this award is given by Sports and Youth Welfare, and in this year this award is received by Shri Amitesh Mishra. This Amitesh Mishra is the one who participated in 36th National Games Award, which is held in Gujarat. He won silver medal in 10,000 meter speed skating and gold medal in 1000 meter speed skating. The next award is Minimata, which is given in the field of women welfare, and this award is given by Women and Child Development Department, and this award is received by Dr. Meera Shukla. So the next award is Thakur Pyarelal Singh Award in the field of cooperatives, which is given by Department of Culture, and this award is received by Shri Ashok Agrawal. The next award is Pandit Sundar Lal Sharma Award in the field of literature and in regional language, which is given by Department of Culture, and this year this award is received by Shri Rameshwar Vaishnav. The next award is Chakradhar Award, which is given in music and art, and this award is given by Department of Culture, and this award is given to Shri Vedmani Singh Thakur. The next award is Dao Mandraji Award, which is given in folk art and craft, and this award is given by the same Department of Culture, and this award, Dao Mandraji Award, is shared by two persons. The first one is Srimati Jayanti Yadav and second one is Shri Pandit Ram. The next award is Devdas Banjare, which is given in the field of demonstrative folk art, which is given by Department of Culture, and this award is received by Shri Dwarika Burman. The next award is Devdas Banjare Memorial Panthi Award, which is given in the field of Panthi dance, and this award is given by Department of Culture, and this award is received by Shri Milab Das Banjare. The next award is Kishore Sahu Award, which is given in the field direction in Hindi Chhattisgarhi cinema, and this award is given by Culture Department, and it is received by two persons. First one is Manu Nayak and second is Shri Palas Vaishwani. Shri Palas Vaishwani. The next award is Lala Jagdalpuri Literary Award, which is given in regional literature, and this award is again given by Department of Culture, and this award is received by Shri Jeevan Yadu. Award is Chhattisgarh Immigrant Indian Award, which is given in the field of contribution in social welfare, human resource development, art, literature and economy outside India. This award is also given by Department of Culture. In this year, this award is given to Shri Ganesh Kar. So now let's move towards the next award, which is a Dr. Khubchand Baghel Award, which is given in the field of agriculture by the Department of Agriculture, and in this year this award is received by Shri Kheduram Banjara. The next award is Chandulal Chandrakar Memorial Journalism Award in the field of print media Hindi. This award is given by Public Relation Department, and this award is given to Shri Dhananjay Verma. The next award is Chandulal Chandrakar Memorial Journalism Award in the field of electronic media Hindi. This award is given by Public Relation Department. This award is shared by two persons. First one is Shri Amitesh Pandey and the second one is Dr. Vaibhav Shiv Pandey. The next award is Madhukar Memorial Journalism Award in the field of print media English, which is given by Public Relation Department, and this award is received by Dr. K.N. Kishore. The next award is Madhav Rao Sapre National Innovation Award, which is given in the field of creative writing in Hindi language, and this award is given by again Public Relation Department, and this award is received by Shri Sudeep Thakur. The next award is Dhanvantri Award, which is given in the field of Ayurveda, medical, education, research and development. This award is given by Health Department, which is given to Dr. Manoj Choksey. The next award is Barrister Thakur Chedilal Award, which is given in the field of law by the Department of Law Department, and this award is received by two persons. First person is Dr. Priya Rai and second is Dr. Vivek Saraswat. The next award is Sanskrit Language Award in the field of work in Sanskrit language by the Department of Higher Education, and this award is received by Dr. Balkrishna Tiwari. The next award is Bilasa Bai Kevtin Award in the field of fisheries. This award is given by Department of Fisheries, and this award is received by Shri Roopchand Dhiwar. Next award is Danveer Bhama Shah in the field of charity, cordiality, exemplary, which is given by Social Welfare Department, and this award is received by Srimati Gangotri Verma. The next award is Maharaja Ramanuj Pratap Singh Dev in the field of labor. This award is given by Labor Department. This award is received by two entities. First one is NTPC Sipat Bilaspur and second is Shri Pilu Ram Sahu. The next award is Raj Rajeshwari Karuna Mata Encouragement Hand Weaver Award in the field of weavings, and this award is given by Rural Industry Department, and this award is received by two persons. First one is Shri Narsingh Devangan and second is Shripati Mehar Devangan. So the next award is Bisahu Das Mahant, which is given in the field of weavings by the Rural Industrial Department. For 2021, this award is received by two persons. First one is Shri Anand Devangan and second is Shri Padmacharan Devangan. And for 2022, that is this year, it is also shared by two persons. First one is Shri Ranjan Devangan and second is Shri Krishna Kumar Devangan. Thank you.